What up, everybody? It's your boy Flacco coming at you with another beer review for tonight. And tonight we are doing the Guinness Extra Stout. Now, Beer Advocate rates this at an 84, and the bros give it an 88. Beer Advocate, which is good. Bros give it a very good. It is an Irish dry stout, so that's the style of it. Alcohol by volume is 6% on it. It's available year-round. Now, I saw another reviewer earlier saying that it used to be exclusively made in Ireland. Now it's being made all over the world, and it looks like this beer is coming out of Ireland. So I don't know what the heck he was talking about. I guess the one he got was made somewhere else, but mine is coming straight from Ireland. So from the motherland to my kitchen and to my glass. We're going to try it out. It's got a nice little label on there, one to add to the collection. I do love stouts, so this is going to be a treat for me. Stouts and IPAs are my thing, man. You want to come over, bring a stout or an IPA, and you will have on my good side. So, just try this out here. Pours out nice. Let's try to get a little aggressive so we can get a head on there. Alright. Now I poured it up really aggressive, gave us a nice, frothy, creamy, small bubble head. If you can see it, the bubbles are really, really small. Really, really thick and creamy. You can smell a slight chocolatiness. The roasted notes definitely come through on it. Some fruits, berries, like with all dark stouts you get, most of them anyway. And that's it, man. You mostly get the roasted notes on it. Like a latte almost type of smell, like a hot latte or cold latte drink, the iced coffee. That's what it smells like. Well, it smells really good, man. Nice caramel notes in there. Chocolate notes in there, roasted notes. Let's go ahead and try it. The head's still there, still good little head on it, still creamy. I don't know if you can see the top, but it's got these craters in there, man. It looks like a soft little pillow, a caramel pillow or something. Let's go ahead and dive in and get a taste on it, man. It's good. It's good, man. Coming in at 6% alcohol by volume on this first stout. I mean, not what I expected. I do like the heavier stuff, man. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but when you go light, you go light, man. This kind of reminds me of the what was that one we did? The Shiner and coffee, the Shiner and Chameleon cold coffee brew. It's on that light end, but that's a coffee ale. But it's on that lighter end, so where you would want to call it almost that. I wouldn't call it a heavy stout. They did do a good job, but it's not. When I hold it to the light, there's a ruby redness color to it, man. You can see through it, especially at the bottom. There's a ruby color. You can see even through the middle, man. I can see through the middle. So most of the stouts that I like that are more full flavored type of thing, can't see through them. They're as black as this t-shirt, man. You cannot see through them. And that's what I like. I mean, I'm not knocking this beer. It's a very well done beer. Guinness did all right with this. It's not as carbonated as their other beers, like the ones you get out of a can, because it had that little nitro gas ball in there that you hear whenever you pop the top on it, and it gets you all that creamy frothiness, especially when you pour it out. You get a big thick head that lasts for a long time on there. I mean, this is good. It's full flavored. I mean, you can see the lace, the creamy lace, see that forming on the glass there. It's hugging the glass. It's not letting go. So I expect to see that throughout this whole glass, but it just knows you're sipping a good full flavored beer there. I mean, so it's full flavored. It's not wanting, but it is. When it comes to stouts, it's a little bit on the more lighter, watery side. Guinness to me already, when not knocking you boys that say Guinness, oh, it's the hearty big beer or whatever. But to me, it's like the dark Bud Light of the world. You know, it's watery almost, but you still get the flavor in there. It's darker beer, but it just, I don't know. It's a good beer. People like beer. People swear by it. Guinness, people swear by it or whatever. I like it. It's okay. It's not one of my favorite ones. This is a step up from the regular Guinness, I would say. Just, I wish they would somehow find a way to put the little nitrate drops in the glass bottle so you can get that same carbonation, that same frothiness. I mean, this is still going. It's got a little head on it still. We've been talking for a good 5 minutes already. See, the lace is still hugging the glass. So you know it's full flavored. It's got the roasted notes in there. It's got the chocolate. It's got the carameliness at the end. It's got the little bitterness. Slight bitterness at the end. The taste does linger, but it's light on the body. It's light flavored. It goes right through. You know what I mean? You can chug. I can chug this if I want. It's a good session beer, man. Like normally when you have stouts, you can only drink like 1 or 2, and then you have to switch to something lighter. If you're not trying to get faded, I mean, you can sip a whole 6-pack of a good heavy stout, a 9%er, you know, or a 10%er. I think that Norwell that I have, there's a review on the Norwell. I think it's a 12% or a 12 or 10%er, but that was good. That one you can only sip 1 or 2 of, like, and you feel it. This one I feel like you can have a sesh with this one. Like I think I could finish the whole 6-pack of this and still be good. It's only 6%. So like I said, it's a lighter version on the stouts. All in all, it's good, man. It's good. From 1 to 10 in my class categories for stouts, it's a 7. It's a 7. It's very sippable. But for me, as a stout lover, it does leave me wishing it was a little heavier. But for those of you who are not heavy stout sippers, it won't leave you disappointed. It's not going to leave you wanting. It's full flavored. It's light enough for you to go ahead and have a few of them and enjoy it. You know, spicy foods, steak, Latin American food, anything with some spice to it, man, it would be nice. Yeah. I get that at a steakhouse, man, with the big fat ribeye or something, you know what I mean? It's good. It's good. For stouts, though, I hate when people call them stouts and they're this light, man. But it is what it is, man, you know what I mean? It's a 7 for a stout in the stout world. In the stout world, it's a 7. So it's good, man. Grab you a 6-pack, try it out. I would recommend it. I've sipped this before. I'm not going to cap on it. So it's not my first time trying it. Me and my boy Milton, you know, we do enjoy sipping some of these every now and then. But that's every now and then. When we go for a stout, we go for a stout, man. We get the heavier stuff, you know. It's hard not to compare everything to the Convict Hill because it's like they set the bar up here. What's it? It's Lagunista Imperial. Or no, not Imperial. Yeah, Lagunista. Is it Imperial Stout? I think it might be Imperial Stout, but Lagunista Imperial Stout or just Lagunista Stout. It is bomb. One of the good heavier stouts, man. Lagunistas, they're a brewing company. They make good beer, just like Independence. Drop my cap there. Anyways, bam, good beer. I would pick it up. Nice notes to it. It won't leave you disappointed. Still, you can see the lace we've been drinking. It's still hugging the glass there. So it's good, man. Full flavor, nothing wanting on it. Alright, man. And so the anime drop of the night. Or not really. Yeah, I guess you can count it anime. They do animes of these. But check this out. Pick this up. We're rocking Mr. Deadpool today. Maximum effort. Got the tacos and burritos. Boom. 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 I thought it was a fly shirt. I picked it up, you know. I like it. Like Deadpool, I think he's an awesome person as a character. You know, he says what he wants. He does and says what he thinks right off the top. Love that guy. Anyways, back to the beer. Good beer. Pick it up. It's been your boy Flacco with the beer review. I appreciate you guys watching and sipping with me. Thank you.